Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Air India Challenges, Boeing 737 MAX updates and flight cancellations. The global aviation industry is constantly evolving, with airlines facing challenges ranging from fleet issues to operational constraints. In recent weeks, Air India has been struggling with multiple problems. The Boeing 737 MAX has made headlines, and airlines worldwide have been forced to cancel flights. Here's a detailed breakdown of these key developments. 1. Air India's fleet issues. Air India has been facing significant fleet-related problems, including aging aircraft and delays in new deliveries. The airline's ambitious expansion plan includes new Airbus and Boeing jets, but supply chain issues have slowed deliveries, affecting operations. 2. Cabin maintenance complaints. Passengers have raised concerns about Air India's cabin maintenance, citing broken seats, malfunctioning entertainment systems, and poor hygiene. Despite the airline's efforts to modernize, inconsistent upkeep remains a major issue. 3. Pilot shortages affecting flights. A shortage of pilots has led to flight disruptions, with multiple reports of cancellations and last-minute schedule changes. Air India's aggressive hiring strategy aims to resolve this, but training new pilots takes time. 4. Rising customer complaints. Customer dissatisfaction has been increasing due to delays, misplaced baggage, and poor in-flight service. Social media platforms have been flooded with complaints, putting pressure on the airline to improve service quality. 5. Boeing 737 MAX engine issues. The Boeing 737 MAX, which has been a critical part of many airlines' fleets, is facing fresh scrutiny due to engine problems. Some operators have reported concerns with CFM LEAP 1B engines, leading to inspections and possible disruptions. 6. Boeing production delays. Boeing has been struggling with production issues, impacting deliveries of the 737 MAX. Airlines expecting new aircraft are now facing delays, leading to schedule adjustments and potential financial losses. 7. Airlines cutting 737 MAX flights due to the ongoing issues. Several airlines, including Southwest and Ryanair, have reduced their planned 737 MAX operations. This is affecting network expansion and leading to increased ticket prices in some regions. 8. Global flight cancellations. Rising flight cancellations have surged due to aircraft shortages, supply chain problems, and operational inefficiencies. Weather disruptions in key markets have further added to the crisis. 9. Air India canceling long-haul flights. In response to these challenges, Air India has been forced to cut some long-haul routes, particularly to North America and Europe. The airline cites operational constraints and aircraft availability as key reasons. 10. The road ahead for airlines. As Air India works to resolve its issues and Boeing addresses MAX concerns, the broader aviation industry must adapt to these disruptions. Airlines are exploring alternative aircraft options, revising schedules, and improving customer service to stay competitive. The coming months will be crucial in determining how Air India, Boeing, and other airlines manage these ongoing challenges. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.